Hi, this is Chitra from Expertish and welcome to Nykaa Skincare Haul Part 2. Make sure you have subscribed to our channel so that you don't miss any skincare, hair care and wellness related content. The first product is from Dr. Sheets. It's their Centella Niacinamide sunscreen and it retails for 6.99 rupees with SPF 50 and their dry touch formula. It's suitable for oily and acne prone skin. The second product is from Bioderma. It's their Sensibio H2O which retails for 3.95 rupees and it's their Micellar Water which is really gentle and extremely great for sensitive skin. The next product is by Earth Rhythm. It's their phytopeptide complex and it retails for 6.75 rupees. It comes in this vacuum pump bottle packaging which is ideal for concentrated products. Along with that, it has a stopper for the nozzle as well and the consistency is very lightweight. The next one is by Face Shop. It's their rice ceramide emulsion which retails for 8.90 rupees. It feels really nourishing and hydrating on the skin. Next one is again a micellar water. It's by Garnier and it retails for 225 rupees, but it's not the mini version, so the quantity that you get is really good. This one is the ordinary multi-peptide hair serum and it retails for 1650 rupees. So because our platform really emphasizes on hair care, that's why we experiment and we try out a lot of hair care products and give you the reviews. So this hair serum is supposed to work on the hair density and make your hair look fuller and healthy. The last one is a Swiss Beauty clay mask brush and it retails for 199 rupees. As the brand has mentioned that it's a clay mask, but I guess it can be used for a lot of DIY face masks. The brush is really flexible and it's made up of silicone, so it will be quite durable. Hope you like this Nykaa haul and make sure that you like and share and comment down below if you want to see a detailed review on this product.